Hi everyone! In today's art class, we're going to draw and learn about butterflies. If you're new here, my name's Chris Fitz and this is my super simple art class for kids. Make sure you subscribe for a new art class each week. Alright, let's get started. Now you're going to need a black pen or a marker, some colors, and a piece of paper. If you need a little bit of extra help, there's a tracing guide available on my website for download. Alright, let's draw.
First, we're going to start with the head. We're going to do 2 eyes. Then let's go ahead and draw the head. And do a round, and go around. Butterflies have antennae, so we'll add those. 2 little curved lines. And then I'm going to add some personality. Do some eyelids. An inner eye. And a little smile. And we'll draw the body. So we're going to do an oval shape. Not too big. And then below that, we're going to add a little bit of a longer oval.
Caterpillars turn into butterflies after 2 weeks. Once they undergo that metamorphosis or transformation, when we learned about caterpillars, they cannot fly. It takes them a while to pump fluids through their wings till they're fully expanded to the size, and then they have to let them dry and harden before they can fly.
Alright, now for the wings, they have 4 sets of wings. We're going to go out. We're going to curve down here and kind of do like a little squiggle and then come back to the middle. We're going to repeat that on the other side. They can be different, it's okay. And then we're going to come down here and it's going to look like a petal, like a flower petal. So we're going to come down and around and back up. And then repeat that on the other side.
Butterflies are cold-blooded and therefore cannot fly in temperatures below 55 degrees Fahrenheit. They have 4 wings that move in a figure-8 motion, and the colors and the patterns that we see is a reflection of the light hitting the tiny scales on their wings. They're actually transparent.
Butterflies have beautiful patterns. So we're going to start with some patterns along the outside. Little circles. You can copy me or you can do whatever you want here. Go ahead and add some body segments. Little curved lines all the way down the body. And then we can add some arms. So this one can say hi. And some legs.
Butterflies have taste receptors on their feet. Once they find something yummy, they use their long tube-like tongue to suck essential nutrients, like salt, from mud puddles, which is called puddling, and a group of butterflies puddling is called puddle clubs. They have a strictly liquid diet, and they also drink nectar from flowers.
For this part of the drawing, I'm actually going to use my black coloring marker to draw in the different lines in the patterns in the wings. So I'm just going to color it as if it's the outline here. fine dark lines in the middle. You can use your black marker for this part that we were drawing with, or you can just use your coloring. Okay, so we're gonna add in some of the lines here. Now these empty spaces I'm gonna color when we get to the coloring part. We're just kind of making our design. And we'll repeat that.
A group of butterflies is called a flutter. There's over 20,000 different species of butterflies that roam across every continent except Antarctica because it's too cold. When butterflies rest together in a group, it's called roosting, and this is so they can protect themselves from predators and then also conserve their energy for their long migrations. Great job! Give yourself a pat on the back, you did it! Now it's time to color. If you're enjoying this art lesson, please hit that like button and share it with your friends. Butterflies have two eyes just like we do, except they have 6,000 lenses to help them see. They can see a wide range of ultraviolet light that's invisible to the human eye. Their eyes help them see other butterflies, the patterns on their wings, some plants, and some flowers that they might be interested in. Butterflies are one of the world's greatest pollinators. They feed on nectar from plants and transfer the pollen from plant to plant with their feet. If you see butterflies, it's an indicator of a very healthy environment. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you had just as much fun as I did. In case you missed last week's art class, you can check that one out here. And if there's something you want to draw and learn more about, send me a message over on Instagram. I cannot wait to see what you create. See you next week.